Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Richard Ogun. In today's video, I will be sharing with you the list of forex brokers with low minimum deposits. I will show you the forex brokers that let you open a trading account with as low as $1 deposit. Online forex brokers are characterized with quite low entry requirements for account opening compared to other types of financial trading. Brokers you will find in this list go beyond affordable and let you register and trade with less than $100. Some of them let you trade with as little as $1. Of course, this should not deceive you with the might that you can be turning $1 into $1,000 overnight. Low deposit forex accounts have their purpose and can be useful even to experienced speculators with significant capital. Low minimum account size is advantageous to test the waters with the broker's live account without committing serious money. They can also be used to live test trading strategies that requires real execution conditions. You can also use low deposit brokers to break up a bigger multiple strategies. However, you should still be very careful even with a small trading account, and always perform full due diligence on brokers before giving your trading funds to any company.